Collagen drops 1% every year, starting in our early 20s. What? How? That's just awful, right? But unfortunately, it's true. Collagen plummets as we age, which really sucks, but it is what it is. And I've been supplementing with collagen peptides for quite a while. It wasn't easy to find the right product because if your main reason for taking it is joint pain, for example, and you buy most of the common collagen peptide products, you wouldn't be getting much benefit from it. That is because most collagen peptides don't include type 2 collagen, which is what you need for joints. So you really want to make sure that you're getting the correct type of collagen, not wasting your money. So in this video, I will do my best to help you understand the different types of collagen and which type or combination of types is the one best suited for you. So first of all, what is collagen? Collagen is the most abundant protein in the human body, making up about 30% of the body's total protein content. Collagen comprises roughly 70% of the skin's dry weight. It improves structure and strength to connective tissues such as skin, bones, tendons, ligaments, and cartilage. Collagen is especially vital for skin elasticity and hydration. It maintains the skin's elasticity and moisture, and it helps reduce wrinkles and sagging of skin. And also, and this is what I was looking for mostly, it supports the structure and function of joints, aiding in flexibility and reducing joint pain. I mean, don't get me wrong, I do care about my skin and would like it to not sag for as long as possible. But when I was first looking to begin supplementing with collagen peptides, my main reason was joint pain, in the knees mostly. And my knee pain has pretty much disappeared since I started taking collagen peptides. Collagen also contributes to bone density and strength, preventing fractures and osteoporosis. And collagen plays a role in muscle repair and growth, essential for maintaining muscle mass. So yeah, collagen is huge when it comes to maintaining various aspects of our health as we age, and we want to ensure adequate collagen levels as we age. There are over 20 types of collagen. Crazy. So how are you supposed to know which one is right for you? In this video, I'm going to focus on the top 3 most important types of collagen. Let's start with type 1. This is the main component of skin, tendons, and bones. What are the benefits of taking a type 1 collagen supplement? It's great for skin health, reducing wrinkles and improving skin elasticity. In terms of sources, it is mostly found in cattle, bison, etc., and also marine collagen supplements. But marine collagen supplements made from fish skin haven't really gotten too many good reviews and press, so I haven't tried it and I'm not planning on it. On to type 2. Type 2 collagen is found in cartilage, and therefore supplementing with type 2 collagen supports joint health and reduces joint pain. And I know from experience that this can work wonders, right? Common sources of it are chicken collagen and bone broth. Chondroitin and glucosamine, I'm sure you've heard before, are sold as pricey supplements to reduce joint pain, arthritis, and inflammation, but you can get both of these naturally from chicken collagen. And chicken collagen can provide some amazing benefits for our gut, immune system, skin, and more. But I do prefer taking a peptide supplement as it's just a lot easier. And again, let me stress that many collagen peptide products will not have type 2 in it. They'll just be type 1 and 3, which is fine if all you're looking for is improved skin elasticity, etc. But if you're like me and you're not in your 20s or 30s anymore, you can definitely feel your joints more than you used to. And so then you want to include type 2 collagen. And I'm not crazy about drinking bone broth or eating tons of chicken skin or fish skin. And it's a lot more convenient to supplement with a collagen peptide product. But what about vegans? What do they do? Or people who are grossed out by the idea of ingesting a powder of dried up pieces of bone, tendons, or skin from animals. To be honest, I'm not loving the idea either, but I just don't think about it. And the name collagen peptides really doesn't sound like what it is, right? Collagen peptides. Sounds kind of adorable. So if you're not so hyped about the idea of stirring ground up animal into your coffee or smoothie, there is a growing trend with vegan collagen alternatives. However, to be clear, none of these products actually contain collagen because collagen is very much an animal product. Vegan collagen products are boosters. These plant-based solutions are designed to boost your body's inherent collagen production. Many vegan collagen offerings have a specific set of amino acids and nutrients in their formulation that your body needs to produce its own collagen. Plant-based amino acids are converted efficiently into collagen and elastin when compared to animal-based collagen. And the sponsor of today's video, Stay, produces an amazing vegan collagen booster. I think Stay's Clean Collagen Booster really stands out from the crowd. It is a vegan collagen powder in pill form designed to support your natural collagen production. Their powerful blend combines the finest vegan ingredients and nutrients to support our natural collagen production. The vegan collagen powder is meticulously crafted to enhance your hair, skin, and nails, supporting a radiant and youthful appearance. And the unique formula also supports joints and bones, promoting overall health and vitality. Another one of the key benefits of vegan collagen is its ethical and sustainable production compared to the production of most animal collagen. So I love that Stay's Clean Collagen Booster comes in convenient capsules, and there's no need to stir anything into your coffee or smoothie, which also means you will always get the dosage right. Stay's Clean Collagen Booster includes zinc, which is really great, but even more importantly, it also includes copper. Taking zinc without copper is a major issue you want to avoid. Stay's Clean Collagen Booster contains biotin and also manganese, which is required for the activation of prolidase, an enzyme that functions to provide the amino acid proline for collagen formation in human skin cells. Many vegan collagen booster products do not contain manganese, but Stay's Clean Collagen Booster does. In addition to some of the more common nutrients included, for example, glycine, which I love and take every day, lysine, vitamins A, C, and E. It also contains grapeseed extract and silica via bamboo extract, which is an amazing plant-based alternative to collagen peptides. Silica is vital for connective tissue like skin, hair, nails, but also arteries. Supplementing with bamboo extract may have huge benefits here. For dosage, you take 2 pills per day. It doesn't matter whether you take it with food or without. And Stay's Clean Collagen Booster is free of herbicides, pesticides, artificial additives like colors, flavors, preservatives. So check out the link below to shopstay.com and use my code KARNER20 for 20% off your entire order of Stay's Clean Collagen Booster. All right, back to the types of collagen. We already talked about type 1, which is beneficial for skin health and firmness. Type 2 has benefits for joints. It's amazing for reducing joint pain. As I said, my experience with this has been that it definitely works. I feel a big difference in my knees. And now on to type 3. Type 3 collagen is present in skin, muscles, and blood vessels. It supports skin firmness, elasticity, but also supports cardiovascular health. Collagen is a crucial component of the structure of blood vessels, particularly the arteries. It provides elasticity and strength to the vessel walls. So consuming collagen peptides can help maintain the structural integrity of blood vessels, potentially reducing the risk of arterial stiffness, which is a significant factor in cardiovascular disease. And since collagen peptides contain the amino acids glycine and proline, it may have a relaxing effect on blood vessels. And this relaxation can lead to improved blood flow and lower blood pressure, which are critical factors in maintaining cardiovascular health. Type 3 collagen is often found alongside type 1 in bovine collagen, cattle, bison. And this is why most collagen peptide products out there will just have type 1 and type 3 in it. So like I said, I definitely wanted to take collagen not just for skin, but to help with my joints mainly. My knees were acting up a lot, especially after sitting for a long time. Long plane rides were the worst. But then also sometimes when I was riding a bike, which is very frustrating, and it just makes me feel super old, which I like to avoid at all costs. So if I had bought a collagen peptide product that only contains type 1 and 3, which is most of the collagen peptide products out there, I wouldn't have gotten any benefits for joints. So make sure you check which types of collagen are in the supplement you're thinking of purchasing. And also, if you want to get a list of all the supplements I'm currently taking, as well as the recipe for my anti-aging breakfast smoothie, check out the link in the description box below. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Take care.